Hey everybody, Gina DeLuca here. Today I'm working with some rainbow action. I'm going to be doing some ring pours. I'm using the Deco Art pouring medium, which I have found to be my favorite thing to use for ring pours. Previously I've only used them with the Deco Art Americana line, which is a craft paint consistency. Today I'm using basics, so soft-bodied or medium-bodied paint, I should say. I have cobalt blue, quinacridone magenta, naphthol crimson, to which I have added a bit of cadmium yellow, deep hue, and I have some deep violet. I also have mixed some white, also with the Deco Art pouring medium. The recipe on the bottle calls for this type of paint, 2 parts pouring medium to 1 part paint. I've adjusted that a wee bit. I did add some water to the paint, straight water, not my Floetrol mix, because I don't want cells. And if I have any Floetrol, I get cells, even if it's only 10%. So straight water, and I did mix it with the paint first until it was a lighter consistency. So it's probably more 1.5 times the pouring medium to paint. And this stuff does thicken up pretty quickly, so let's get moving. Wear gloves. This stuff is sticky. Floetrol rinses off very easily. This stuff, you're gonna have to work at it. 14 by 14 inch canvas. So this would be around about 7 ounces-ish of paint, but I will be laying down a base coat, so you can cut back a wee bit. Okay, I'm going to do two smaller layers. And if you pour down the side of the cup, you will get better separation. They won't mix quite as much. Oops. That's bound to happen at some point. And now I'll do smaller layers. These will wind up on the outside of the ring. And just a bit more white. And I have contaminated my white. Just a bit on my thumb. Let's make a mess, shall we? Oh, Lord Jesus, God, baby Jesus. So, watch the bottom of your cup. No worries. We'll fix this. Woo! All right. We learn not only from successes, but also from our failures and mistakes. This stuff gets thick very quickly. And you can see by these little squiggles right here, and this is where the my base coat has thickened up. and it's starting to fight back. This is a rescue at this point. Oh boy. I refuse to give up. Never give up. Never surrender. Oh boy. Okay. Okay. Well, there's cells. Wow. So this video will probably be titled "What Not to Do in a Ring Pour," which would be don't dip your cup in it. It's one of the hazards of being legally blind in one eye is I have no depth perception. And truthfully, this is a miracle that it doesn't happen more often. So I will clean up and I will bring you in for a close-up. Okay, well, here it is. Definitely not what I was going for, but I wasn't planning on having to dump half the canvas off. So, c'est la vie. I'll say this, that the Deco Art pouring medium, though it thickens up rather quickly, it does keep very good color separation. And the sides hold up nicely. All right, there it is. What not to do in a ring pour. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something. I sure did. Please like and share and subscribe and all that good stuff. I hope you have a beautiful day and go make some art. And don't stick your cup in it.